speak Kurdish?" he asked softly. She shook her head, smiling through the sudden sting in her chest. "No." He watched a tear form, delicate in the candlelight. Then, "Why are you crying?" She let out a quiet, unsteady laugh. "Do you need to speak Kurdish to cry at a song like this?" The gramophone crackled, the singer's voice bending like wind over distant hills. Dar Hejîrokê. He leaned a little closer, his voice almost lost under the music. "I can translate it," he offered. She nodded. He listened to the next verse, then spoke, his tone low, almost reverent. It says, "You are a fig tree, the fig of the mountains, the beauty of the mountains." She closed her eyes, letting the words settle. He continued, "You are a fig tree, the one who takes away sorrow." The candles flickered. People murmured softly at other tables. But to them, it felt like the whole cafe had paused. "You are among the roses, among the roses. You are a fig tree, the one who takes away sorrow. The bride is the heart of the groom. You are a fig tree, the one who takes away sorrow." He stopped speaking, the music carrying the rest.